the Turn Up Twins, pick up yourself. You don't know full thing of the global thing, I don't like the whole world.
Yeah, me I say now this is Greg.
Yo, you don't know this is Kevin.
And together we're Vice, man. I would say Turn Up Twins. Thing, Turn Up
Turn Up things, you see.
You know it's higher where the girls them prior. I mean I represent for Turn Up Twins. Turn Up things, you know there's something to turn up now.
Up to the era, Turn Up Twins are not like fever. Yo, touch her make she ooh, touch her make she ah.
Sit and recline like the chair. We are with family, I like the spear. Me a strip and now I like me care. Quick and we find like Brazil.
So we're here with the First Ladies of Alliance, ANG Next Generation, K Queens.
Mad, the Agnes in that.
So these are the first ladies to be in ANG, right?
Just in case if you don't notice, Twin Up Twins.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a great look. It's a great look. You never know. You know if you never know. It's a great look. Yes, screen now again, no trouble. That's the real a twin, you know? All twins.
Twin Up Twins.
Mad.
Well, tell me, give me your names first.
Well, I'm Karine and I'm Kadeen.
And how did you guys...
Tamika.
Yes.
Really? She not count. She not in this right now. It's all about Uno. She just stand off to the side. I look cute. But how did you guys get into the group?
Well...
Or I should say the camp, right?
Talk to them, sis. Well, first of all, was in the States. We came down, and I mean, from ever since, my sister was always grinding, doing shows and stuff until it was a stage show and Killer see us and him send come call away and after him said, no, bad cake to the cake killer queens and wait, no, that's not a group and I mean, and from that it was history. That was it. You know what I mean?
How long ago was that?
That was from 06.
Wow. Oh wow, so you guys have been in the group for a while.
Yeah, we've been grinding. As I said before, Killer said Galliance. It wasn't ANG first, so it was Galliance, the first females of the alliance. Oh. So therefore, yeah, so during the time we've been in there, it's like a camp, as I say, and I mean it's a development camp. So each time you're learning, you're getting better until, therefore, don't cut us this. Therefore, when an artist from Alliance or ANG, when an artist shoot, them don't flap. You understand? So you're
like
well.
A progression.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, like I go school or college or anywhere getting a degree.
Yes.
It's the same thing I come to ANG
so
camp.
So get the ANG.
Exactly. ANG degree. Should I say?
In training.
Exactly. Understand? So when you go so now really get your go now, you think now drop. When it connect, you understand? When it connect.
Because I saw you guys on the stage show.
You are done! Because now the pain of the morning before the night come. Let me say one thing up one step now. You can't wake up in the morning now. Call up some of them, you are done. We are going to 2013 and some of them still lean. You just want for you to say straight like her. So some going on now. You got to know for you straight and not straight team. I want to them. They know tell some boy when you're straight. You better have a fast car. You better fast enough so you can tie out here. This boy him really tear. I come in and dance in a jeans and brassiere. Any place is better. But if they touch you, attack you, and get slaughtered. We want them push up on the wall. But if you get your man and never wipe on your man. Pam pam. Put him up. And the man them the fire was say love the woman. Then them say some man no man. What going on them there? When the girl them fire was say love the man them. I wanted to climb up the ladder. Don't eat up the ladder. Drop it! Until now we power we know. So we must have him out now. Some of them so cocky him out. Nah, tell the sex and we must have him out. We have to make you walk and feel like you feel. We power we kill so we must have him out. Nah, some of them so cocky him out. Nah, tell the sex and we must have him out. Hey! You are high. Can't we stop with money now? So that white that push them. Turn away. Never said don't count with that money now. Because you do something more like running away. Level. You are done. So you know it's a long time to care queens and do the thing. Every little song you know I wrote, I look how fast you wanna take it, note for note, but don't worry. Take God is coming in a hurry. I sing my money says, pa 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 na pa na 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 na. Oh, tati pa na na na, pa na 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 na. Clever, everything is right, everything is right, everything is right. When it comes from the street, from the truth, it comes by no birth, no punchline, like I will not take. We feel to that, you must think, hey, with the cat and the big and a Bible, blue go forget the two, but I give it to get caught in the middle of the prayer with that big. As I say, I want general. No, you know, if I come and you want to make some things about you and people, I learn some things about you and people. Boy, I tell me you and people, you know, sis, level me. Boy, you tell me more you want to me, why you tell me more you want to me, why you tell me more you want to me, why you tell me more you want to me. Alright then, you said this devil clap with them lucky, no fear than the police and the rocky, let me tell you this. Believe you're not talking to me, we're not mixed up in a body. You will have to think about that, you can on a little, then don't know what you're like a little,
feminine, look like, you know what I'm saying, on the start talk, I'm like, wait, that's come out of their mouth. like a little killer, like a little girl killer. So I was definitely impressed.
Everybody, like them that sue, you know, because them say, they look like they really do not.
Yeah, like exactly. You open your mouth and that's it. So I was very impressed.
Definitely, you know.
So what is it about this camp that you think that will give you the edge above all the other female artists out there?
Alright, what I see in Alliance camp is a versatility. And once you're in Killer camp, it don't really just show you like, okay, you're in the camp, whatever, you know what I mean? You do what you want to do, you become an artist, you vice with him. No. Him show you, like, literally show you, say, K-Queens, like when I say, no, K-Queens, yeah, do this too much, or calm down, or too much of this, and do more of that, or whatever, you know what I mean? So, it definitely, once you're in this camp, the difference is that growth. You know what I mean? You just don't jump in a camp like everybody's, oh yes, oh me not camp, or, you know, for example, not like that. And the thing about it is not like, for example, most camp that you know about, if an artist left that camp, you don't hear about them again. Yeah. You understand? But as long, like now, Movado, he ventured off, he's still hot. Carter did the thing, is still hot. So anybody where still branch off to do them own thing, them still hot.
And them take the lesson from what them
exactly. And if you really like watch, like, you know, check the track record of each and every artist, everybody like learn from Killer. Like actually, everybody have some, check them bio. Them learn from Killer. The Idona, and I mean the Vado, the Cartel, all of them. You name it, it's from Killer. Everybody takes something from Killer, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Because it's been around for a long time. That's somebody that said, from we are little, I'm gonna not grow up.
Exactly.
And him still act.
Exactly,
you know?
exactly. So if you want to, if it's like, all these years, Killer still with me and act. Him still relevant, no care what, him still act. So you have to really watch him and see what him do. You know what I mean? So we can do the same thing too. Exactly. Because you have an artist that will have shoot off and that's it. That's it. But once you watch Killer, you know what I mean? No matter what, how much years.
Still have it.
Still have it. The care was sad. That's why I was like, I glad, like, my household was strictly, I were strictly Bounty Killer fans. My dad, my mom, my brother, everybody. Even my grand. My grandfather the other day was like, so what we Killer, what going on there? Yeah, me said that he might lock the place, you know. He might lock the place, you know. Oh yeah, me say still I lock the place. Say, oh, now come see where I go. And that's my granddad. He's like 76.
Yes, so with all the grand people and turn up.
That's my granddad. Is, you know, he's not in the music that much, but since his granddaughters are in it, mother's pay attention. You know, my granddad is from Jungle, Havana. So you know, say from there, Killer is the streets, dance on the streets. Yes. You know what I mean? So from come from most of the ghetto area, you're gonna know Killer. You understand?
Even when you don't come from the ghetto area.
Exactly, but knowing this dance on the streets. Yeah. And Killer is for the streets.
Yeah, you know definitely.
I want to go to Killer one Sunday. Where then? I'm in Jimmy, no. You know, I'm going to turn the light on the crowd, you know. I'm going to do something straight, man, in there, no. The man that going to the street, and the street, Jesus, this is some under man. When you go down, man, then go down them there. When I tell them there. All right, then I get to the point. You know, all right. wanna take it, no, God, no, but don't worry. Tesla is coming in a hurry. What's in that money, sis? Pa, 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 na, pa, na, 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 na. What's in my na, 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 no. Gripper, everything is right, everything is right, everything is right. Why you come fast, shit, why you do it? Then can't find no bird, no punchline. Like how we are take, we stick to it. Never see anything, it's different with the cat and the people like a bird. Don't be afraid to get the tool, like a little. We're not just a little. We're not just a little. What is me is someone that do just a little. How can everybody that if it's a bicycle? And then the party got them like bicycles. It's sports for the children. What's a wrong farm? You know Jamaica, man, a man, a whole hand. When you want to try to tell you about them, you know what you want to do your right hand. Put it up on selector. You know I mix my good. You know I know I fix my good. Yo, talk to you. I think they're serious now. Come on them there. Yeah. I'm going to be paid fee. So some boy that go on and they want to spend. Oh, they go on and they want to spend. I don't know what to tell them. Money you feel on, money you feel on. If they not got the money, not get on. Money you feel on, money you feel on. If they not got the money, you want get on. Money you feel on, money you feel on. If they not got the money, not get on. Money you feel on. Yes, I like them. Since I know, I like them. You see that hairstyle, yeah? I'm on the feet. You see them hot clothes, yeah? I'm on the feet. You see them bad shoes, yeah? I'm on the feet. So if you want to ride, yeah, I ride you down. I know how to do it. You know what it is. You know what it is.
So I hear the song playing in the background. This is your new song featuring Kalada, right?
K-Queens, the sexy warrior side. I mean, yeah, this is the edgy side. For real, nobody really expect this side of K-Queens. You're always rugged and gangster, but this now definitely is a eye-popper.
Yeah, tone it down. I try to control myself. With it, tone it down. You hear with it, tone down one. Me hear about sit down on the and quat with it. You know that feeling.
So, them definitely, them are like for the right now, can't street. Them have nowhere, it's a balance now. So you come out with sure, you get the gangster side and the sexy side. You understand that the gangster side is the Galions, the K-Queens, where now the other side now, the sexy side is the sexy warriors.
Oh, so now the warriors. Different egos.
Exactly. But they're still sexy with it, you know. So I kill them sexy way.
Okay.
So from now on straight to 2013, there's a balance straight. Yeah, a lot of sexy things on K-Queens.
Oh, good. Well, we look forward to that.
The man, them a ball feet. The female, them a say, K-Queens, what up to
me? Exactly.
I was like, alright, let's go. Kalada was like, yo, K-Queens, I show them, you know, wait. The man is a K-Queens, I be a good tune, I be a badness tune. Now do a tune, I say, I do it, Kalada. I mean, and that was it.
Bet to become on the cap and the cock.
Not when me sit down pan body and quat.
Sit from the back pan the cock.
That's when me sit down pan body and quat. Sit and recline like the chair. With a fan behind like the spear. Me a strip and now my life me care.
Ready?
Quick and me fine like Brazil.
Bumbleclot. God bless me in a buggy like that. God bless me in a buggy like that. God bless me in a buggy like me want fit me dick in your body, why not?
God blessing in your body like that. God blessing in your body like that. God blessing in your body like that. Me want fit me click on the body, why not?
Make you fat berry, can you go ball? Curve, flat belly, girl, you go goal.
So you know me with up in the khaki. If me go fit the khaki, I you rock steady and no go roll.
Girl, me believe you. You're bad for me, need you. Beg a time and your minute. Neither wine or your limit. Me want chad where you speed, girl.
God blessing in your body like that. God blessing in your body like that. God blessing in your body like that. Me want fit me click on the body, why not?
God bless me in a buggy like that. God bless me in a buggy like that. God bless me in a buggy like me want fit me dick in your body, why not? Island in your buggy, girl. Diamond in your body, girl. Island in your buggy, girl. What a breast nipple, sexy breast nipple.
Time bomb in your body, boy. Diamond in your body, boy. Time bomb in your body, boy. Sex picture, make me sex picture.
To become handicap on the cock.
Not when me sit down pan body and quat.
Sit from the back on the cock.
That's when me sit down pan body. Sit and recline like the chair. With a with family I like the spear. Me a strip and now I like me care.
Shreddy.
Quick and we find like Brazil.
Bucklet. God bless me in a baggy like that. God bless me in a baggy like that. God bless me in a baggy like me want fit me dick in your body, why not?
God blessing in your body like that. God blessing in your body like that. God blessing in your body like that. Me want fit me click on the body, why not? But you know.
And you guys are doing a video next week, right?
Next week.
Okay, so as soon as you get the video shoot and the video is edited and all that, you have to send it to us so we can put it on the show.
Yes, definitely.
And also
and what to look forward to is Calabodwe and Killer. Yes.
Oh,
that's,
okay.
Yeah, that is
next.
Right, that's next. You know what I mean? So that look out for that after this, we'll look out for it. Yeah, that's the next thing with us and Killer, you know what I mean?
Alright, so this is what I want to do. I want to spit something.
Oh God, the whole vacation.
I want to spit something.
Don't repeat it.
I'm not going to repeat it. We're not going to repeat it. No, because we did an interview earlier. I mean, I tried for the jingle, but we're not going to do that. That's a different show. That's a different show. But I want to know, sing one on a song.
But wait, make me hear what's in the signature.
What's in the signature jingle?
Yeah.
Badino, we badino. Madino, we madino. Badino, we badino. Turn up twins on the butt, so.
Alright, gonna turn up. Alright, now I want to spit a line from one now, no. Gangster.
Yeah, rough it up.
Rough it up, want to rough it up. We're going to some room. Rough it up. Alright.
Okay, alright. K-Queens, yeah, that are we sexy warriors. Tear down any barricade warriors. So if a bitch think she about tell her step to me, I kill her and me daddy, so me no fear than nobody. Right now, me I kill them the sexy way. In a me tights, in a me ears, ready for spray, no. Me go feed them in a the middle of the day, me a boss it with my friends team, no, get away. To them see me cool, yes, me have me tool, me no fool, boy, this the rule, not them blood, make a pool. I don't care who you be, who you wanna be, who your family. Teflon misplace your body. White blood cell, red blood cell, base pen shell. No eyewitness, nobody not tell. Body no.
Wicked. Body no. That was good. So wait, are on the writing their own lyrics?
Yeah, man. I definitely we have one or two people. Them not coming and say, "Hey, Queen, for line phone and where?" But after. Queens, right?
I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
That's why that's what I'm saying. For me say alliance, you know what I mean, for in the camp, you get nothing but greatness. From Killer said alliance, Killer said K-Queens, you get nothing but greatness. You know what I mean?
That's it.
So see, you can't have a woman we're sexy and at the same time very talented.
Yeah, she's right.
Yes, that's right. Look at this. Look at this.
style, yeah, I'm on the beat. You see them hot clothes, yeah, I'm on the beat. You see them bad shoes, yeah, I'm on the beat. So if you wanna ride, yeah, so it's a man who wants it, he want to be alone, man. It's a man who wants it, he want to be alone. Man who wants it, he want to be alone, man. Batino! Something for segments, some lyrics, some people segments. Boy, I tell them whatever, some mix it up. You want to go on the Black River? You want to know? Hey, you want to go on the Black River? Let me jump. I say so. I tell them go on. Alright. When you tell them about segments to me, tell them about segments to me. What tell them still? When you tell them about segments to me, tell them about segments to me. Alright then. We say this time we fight with them with lucky. No, we even the police and the rocky. Me tell you this. Believe in the copy to the kitty segment. We don't be stopping at watching. Level. The way you stop is thinking more. I think it's in a little bit cool and then on the watching and then I think it's in the kitty bird. Let me. I want to go. Black women are killing the sex too, you know. I want to go. Black home, Black River. Missy, I run black. I run black. Some boy get trained and turn back and get that. The one back. ANT never turn back. Black River. So you know some boy can't be second on your place. Now off on your place. Do some going on now. Off on your house them there. Off on your truck. So you know see. So you know some boy can't violate you. You see them we see them run back. We don't know. We tell them no. We know. Me not go look. Me not go listen to me things. I'm going to put it in style. Whistling the beat stop. Who ain't get me? If I were, we not talk and I this one time to die. We end up preaching yeah in there. Come on, you might not do it in the eye. So cry. Oh me, oh my. Now the top come the who are right. See me cool, yes me have me cool. Me no fool. Why is the rule and the blood make a fool? See who you be, who you wanna be, who you want to be. One shot, big play, all right. Red blood cell, white blood cell, and all the way to somebody not tell. What do you want?
Get Queens when they're ready.
Batino! Sunday. Eh? The man them in a chisel for you know some shit. The man who the thing of the sun. You ready? Alright now. Let me. You know so from the 2013. Yes, when them come in and them still lean, you know. Eh? The man them a chisel for you know so the straighter than the iron, straighter than a straight jean to the hand them. That's up. With them man who are so in there, you know. And listen me. You said that's a kids in here. Kids live what they learn. You understand? So kids on the stage wait and not leave. Okay? But you know, she's up. Alright, let me see the man that you know you never do it. No man never rub you down. If you ever do it, make she's on them see. Pull it up around you. Man up in touch man party. No, you know if you do it. Or you be going down and then I don't know you be touch man. But you know. I want to woman them there. Level me. Come here, go quick, you know. Right now we talk to the woman then. The woman them for the know us and tired of the broke man then. Me a talk you know, I'm tired of them. Of course. We hear what you do. Of course. Clothes of the mind. Of course. And the shoes of the mind. No. Of course. So when I'm gonna come and say, Level, I want your time. Me never love the time and I just this is my time. Money. Listen, if a man come to us and want the time, say money is my time. Straight. The kids love to go to school now. To school. So some boy come with them block pocket. You know they tell them say, Level. Alright then. Money have to run, money have to run. If they not run the money not get done. Money have to run, money have to run. If they not run the money you are get done. Money have to run, money have to run. If they not run the money not get done. Money have to run, money have to run. 11 now, my time. Alright. You see that hairstyle, yeah? I'm on the beat. You see them hot clothes, yeah? I'm on the beat. You see them bad shoes, yeah? I'm on the beat. Say if you want to ride, yeah? If a man wants it, he must be paid out for it. If a man wants it, he must be paid out. Man wants it, he must be paid out for it. Sure. Alright. You don't know it's a long time. Multi-killer say K-Queen, so. And a long time we are doing the second verse. Alright. Alright then. So. No one that's a gold digger, but it's a pay back, they're not court and
know. ANG, Alliance Next Generation. Hold on, tell me something, ladies, you want them back? You don't feel like them figure? Here, Queens, if I go one more, you know. If I go one more, I will first stand down here on the bossy place.
Patino! She's not telling them how I'm going to say Patino! As me I say, I'm killing my pirate, right? I'm going to get a little bit ranty, so kids, excuse me, okay? Alright, I will pirate, no killer Martino! I will pirate, no killer Martino! I will pirate, Randy! Right? One general! We pirate, so we must have been boss now! Follow them, so cocky people! Now, take the sex in our body people! We have been back to them! Feel up if you are so we pirate! Kill us, so we must have been boss now! Follow them, so cocky people! Now, take the sex in our body people! Can't twist the African phone in our way, so now I can't push them tongue in our way. Remember, them tongue can't put that tongue in our way. The cocky tools have been more straight tongue in our way. Wait. Let me do something for the gangster them first before we leave. Okay? I want to go. Now come and sit down. I'm going to see a roadblock. Alive. Some that turn back and give it that to go back. Alive. Where you see the bad man, they're going to talk to me and sit down. Alive. I want to sit down. Yeah, you see what I'm saying, roadblock. What I do? Me not go look, me not go listen me. Take start listening, bullying, then start whistling, and baby, my Christian boy ain't get listen. If Mama, here we are talking and listen. The more time this time, we better preach tonight. The beer come. If I don't win in the yard, it's so crying. Hold me, hold my. Shut up, my little advice. To them still be cool, let me have me tool, me no fool. Why did they fool? And the baby make a fool. I don't care who you be, who you wanna be, who your family, God shot it. Everybody, white blood cell, red blood cell, be a pet shell. No, I witness somebody not tell. Know the road code, what we really want. Come and do that to a table and give them a the other fool. Banana. What are the banana? Banana, wanna sing it? I go. Banana. What are the banana? Banana. Clip.
I want to the boy about come here. Him can't mind me, but what my type? And money are my type. ANG, I take Queens. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get none. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get none. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. You see them earstyle, yeah? I'm money feet. You see them hot clothes, yeah? I'm money feet. You see them bad shoes, yeah? I'm money feet. So if you want to ride, yeah? I'm money feet. If a man want it, him have to pay down pan it. If a man want it, him have to pay down. Man want it, him have to pay down pan it. And if a man want it, him have to pay down. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get done. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get none. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. No, I'm not a gold digger, but if you pay for, don't a quote and singer. Me a hot girl, latest thing me in lie. You think I lie? Me cross for ask killer. I want you feel like me think turn up. I want me touch out and see the place burn up. Rain a fall and me make the sun come up. So if you not have money, just shut up. But you know, money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get done. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get done. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. You see them earstyle, yeah? I'm money feet. You see them hot clothes, yeah? I'm money feet. You see them bad shoes, yeah? I'm money feet. So if you wanna ride, yeah? I'm money feet. If a man want it, him have to pay down pan it. If a man want it, him have to pay down. Man want it, him have to pay down pan it. And if a man want it, him have to pay down. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, not get done. Money up you run, money up you run. If you not run the money, you will get fun. Money up you run, money up
so much.
Twin of twins, just in case if you never didn't know.
Stay tuned. I'll come out to the next single. Don't worry about that. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to do the interview with us, and we hope to see you guys soon on the show, maybe over there. So coming no so always over there. So and if you come to New York, anytime you're in New York, you're gonna definitely have to stop by the studio and.
Which is right, most deaf. Yeah, it's structured now, as I said, Alliance is structured from Cross Chris is involved, you know what I mean? Yeah, so big up the A&G management, Cross Chris management. So for a year, Cross Chris, we're there every way.
Alright.
Chris remind me of Chris Cross. You remember Chris Cross?